Hello everyone, my name is Yasir Siddiqui and this is my channel DCO. Okay, this is my first video and I hope you all like this. Today I am going to explain what is SEO and how it works. Okay, we all do internet surfing and searching on Google, okay, on daily basis, but what we don't know how the search process works. So before I tell you how it works and how to do it, let's first go over to the definition of SEO. And then we'll dive into how search engine works and how SEO works. Okay, so let's start with definition of SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, so SEO is a process of taking steps to help a website. What I said, SEO is the process of taking steps to help a website or a piece of content rank higher on search engines. I hope you all know search engines. Basically, we all know search engines like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, etc. There are a lot of search engines these days. Okay, so look at this way. Okay, when someone types black jeans or black denim jeans into Google, they are likely to going to buy black jeans. And again, at the same time, if you're selling black jeans, you would want people to find your black jeans. Okay, so for anyone to find it, you need to rank above all those sites that are selling black jeans. It's not easy, but that's what SEO is all about. Okay, let's break it down further. The majority of online searches begin with a search engine like Google. In fact, 75% of those searches started with Google. Okay, we all know how much Google is popular these days. Okay, so to understand how you can rank your content higher into the search engines, you need to first understand how search works. Okay, so basically today the ultimate goal of this video is to help you understand the ins and outs of search so you can optimize your website to rank higher on Google and get more traffic to your website. Okay, so now you all are wondering how SEO works. Okay, so let's start with that. Okay, so how high your website ranks is determined by Google's algorithm. Okay, so as you know, I mean, we as a SEO person or SEO expert don't know much about Google's algorithm. It always remains secret. Okay, but years of experience in SEO give me some insight on the most of the ranking factors. Okay, so basically there are two ranking factors: on page SEO and off page SEO. So let's discuss about those factors. Okay, so on page SEO factors are all the things on your website that have a direct influence on. Okay, so basically it's all about the changes or things you do on your website, okay, internally. Okay, so that's why it's called on page. I mean, the one which you are doing on your website. Okay, so these factors basically include technical aspects and structure of your website. For example, title, description, loading speed. Okay, so basically we do changes on the website to make it user and search engine friendly. Okay, so basically this is what on page SEO is all about. Okay, so okay, let's talk about off page now. Okay, so in addition to on page, your rankings are also determined by off page SEO factors. Getting me? So these off page factors include links from other website, social media attention, and other marketing activities. It is basically like linking your website with other good quality websites. Okay, so the more you link with other good sites, higher chances of gaining better rank. This is what off page SEO is all about. Okay, so now you might be wondering, how do I get my site on Google? Okay, so Google is a fully automated search engine. Okay, so that uses web crawlers. Okay, so Google uses web crawlers to explore the web constantly. Okay, Google keeps looking for the website, new website, any website that's comes online. Google keep looking for those websites. Okay, so as soon as Google finds any new website, it's stored into its index. Okay, so what is index? Okay, index is nothing but a database of websites. Okay, Google calls it index. Okay, so this is how Google crawls the website or finds the website. So now you might be wondering, what happens when Google couldn't be able to find my website? What happens then? Okay, so don't worry. Google gives you an option to manually submit your website also. Okay, basically it is called Search Console. Okay, it's a online tool that allows you to submit your website and ask Google to crawl or index your website. Okay, so we'll discuss this process in our future videos. Okay, so this is all SEO and how it works. Okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, and if you do, please subscribe my channel DCO. Thank you and have a good day.